All right, QuantumSink here again. And so we're just going to take another quick look back here and think about how this information on this diagram will be attributed back into a database and what it will look like, how it will be represented, etc. And so how you'll store each piece of information is simple. So let's take a look at this tab here. You'll have the hospitals as its own table here, as its own entity. Uh, Moving from there, you have, again, its attributes, and each attribute will then, from there, be recorded as its own stored data. A hospital ID will have its own unique identifier, again, being its primary key, 2463, and just keep that in mind as we look to here with the attributes on the patient table. Again, you can see that same ID, and that ID can be given to multiple patients, and because of that, it gives you that ability to relate back here as that foreign key. And you're going to want to start looking at how you connect these pieces together. Creating a relationship diagram can often look like a puzzle when you put it through here, but once you put it into raw data, you can start seeing a lot more clear connections in what you want to put down and what is unique and what should be used as a key. Every patient will have its own unique ID. Whoops. But from there, you just use that unique key identifier to slot through all this information, and that is what will be attributed back to that one person, that one ID. But you can also still have, shared data between others. Like, not all of this is going to be unique. You're going to have many patients that are going to be 24, many patients 29, many patients who don't have pre-existing conditions, etc. And you'll have plenty of patients on the same day. So you just want to take a look and create something that works as that unique identifier for your unique key. And that is something you'll just have to look for in every table, essentially. Even here, you have, again, the primary key for the location of the one town, and that key can also then be attributed back to your hospitals because it's, again, located in that one city or town. And this is just a simple organization of it. There's going to be plenty of rows and tuples, essentially, that you'll have to look through and understand the data within and the connections within. And once you can start making connections, you can start understanding what you want to connect to what, how it connects to it, and what is within each entity itself. So once you have established this, you'll be well competent to understand and read what a relationship diagram is portraying. With that said, best of luck. This is QuantumSink here, and I'll be seeing you in the next video.